Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we're going to learn how to sort a list in Python in both ascending and descending order. Sorting is one of the most common tasks in programming. You might want to sort names alphabetically, prices from low to high, or scores from highest to lowest. Let's explore how Python makes it super easy to sort any list. Step 1. Create the Python file. Let's first create a Python file. Right click on the list directory, choose new, then Python file. Let's give a name list_sorting. Step 2. Create a list of numbers. Now let's define a simple list of numbers. Let's create a list named numbers equals within square brackets. Type the values 10, 4, 22, 15, 8 and 1. Now print this list to confirm. Let's type print within brackets numbers. Let's run the program and see the output. 10, 4, 22, 15, 8, 1. This shows the original list, unsorted. Right now, the numbers appear in the order we typed them. Step 3. Sort the list in ascending order. To sort the list from smallest to largest, we can use the sort method. Let's type numbers dot and then call the sort function. Then print the list again, print within brackets numbers. Let's run the program. The output is 1, 4, 8, 10, 15, 22. Now the list has been rearranged in ascending order from lowest to highest. This is very helpful when working with scores, prices or any kind of numeric data. Step 4. Sort the list in descending order. Now let's say you want to sort the list from highest to lowest. You can use the same sort method but with an option. We type numbers.sort within brackets reverse equals true. Then again print within brackets numbers. Let's run the program and the output is 22, 15, 10, 8, 4, 1. The list is now sorted in reverse descending order. So remember, sort with reverse equals true will flip the sorting. Step 5. Sorting a list of strings. Now let's try the same with strings. Let's create a new list called names. Let's type names equals within square brackets, within double quotes Ravi, within double quotes Anjali, within double quotes Mohan, within double quotes Deepak. Let's print the original list, print within brackets names, run the program and the output is Ravi, Anjali, Mohan, Deepak. Now let's sort it alphabetically. We type names dot and then call the sort function. Then print the updated list, print within brackets names. The output is Anjali, Deepak, Mohan, Ravi. This arranges the names in A to Z order. Step 6. Sorting in reverse alphabetical order. Just like numbers, we can also sort names in reverse. We type names.sort within brackets reverse equals true. Print within brackets names. Now the output is Ravi, Mohan, Deepak, Anjali. This shows the names from Z to A. Step 7. Using the sorted function. There is another way to sort a list without changing the original. It's called the sorted function. Let's create a new list called scores. Let's type scores equals within square brackets 60, 40, 80, 90, 50. Now we want to create a new sorted list. Without modifying the original scores, we type new list equals sorted within brackets scores, print the new list, then print the original scores again. Let's run it. Output 40, 50, 60, 80, 90. That's the new sorted list. 60, 40, 80, 90, 50. This is the original list unchanged. So use sorted when you don't want to change your existing data. Let's quickly review everything we learned. We created a list of numbers and strings. We sorted them in ascending and descending order using the sort method. We used the sorted function to sort without changing the original list. Sorting is a basic but powerful operation, and Python gives you all the tools to do it with just one line of code. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next lecture.